Hi, I am Dr.K.Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today my topic name is Goods and Service Tax Advantage and Disadvantage. Goods and Service Tax meaning. After the implementation Goods and Service Tax, the government received several feedback on the advantage and disadvantage of GST. The GST Act as a value added tax and designed as comprehensive indirect tax levy on manufacture, sales and consumption of goods as well as service. At the national level, it shall replace all indirect tax levied on goods and service by the Indian central and state government. Through goods and service tax serve as to be historical tax reform in India. It also includes some demerits. In this article, let us look into goods and service taxation and deal with its advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of goods and service tax. GST is a transparent tax and also reduce the number of the indirect tax. GST will not be a cost to registered retailer, therefore there will be no hidden tax and the cost of doing business will be lower. Benefit people as a princess will come down, which in turn will help companies consumption will increase. There is a no doubt that in the production and distribution goods service are increasingly used or consumer and vice versa. Separately tax for goods and service, which is the present taxation system, requires division of transaction value into value of goods and service for taxation, leading to great complication administrating including compliance cost. In the goods and service tax system, when all the tax are integrated, it would make possible the taxation burden to be split equality between manufacturing and service. GST will be levied only at the final consumption based on the VAT principle and not at various points. GST will also help to build transparent and corruption free tax administration. Presently, a tax levied on when a finished product move out for factory, which is paid by the manufacturer, and it is levied at the retailer outlet when sold. GST is backed by the GSTN, which is a fully integrated tax platform to deal with the all aspect of GST. Disadvantage of goods and service tax. Some economics saw that GST in India would impact negatively on the retail estate market. It would add up to 8% to the cost of new homes and reduce demand by about 12%. Some experts saw that goods and service tax, state goods and service tax are nothing but new name for central excise, service tax, VAT and GST. Hence, there is no major reduction in the number of tax layer. Some retail product currently have only 4% tax on them. After goods and service tax, garments and clothing would become more expensive. The violet on industry would be affected. Service tax on air force currently range from 6 to 9%. With GST, this rate will surface 15% and effectively double the rate tax. Adaptation and migration to the new GST system would involve teething troubles and learning for the entries ecosystem. Thank you.